Hello, good morning. My name is Jonalyn Trasmil Balbas, and I am happy to introduce myself. Thank you for watching my video. I am from Philippines, and I consider myself responsible, patient, and hardworking. I am good at multitasking, following instructions, and communicating clearly. I always try to stay positive and keep a good attitude while working. I have 2 years of experience as a helper here in Philippines. During that time, I had handled tasks such as cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, grocery shopping, and organizing the households. I also assisted with which is 3 months old and care depending on the family needs. I always try to build trust and maintain the good relationship with my employers. I can cook a variety of dishes like Filipino dishes, and I'm willing to learn new recipes. I can follow cooking instructions, meal plans, or online recipe to prepare healthy and tasty meals. I also have experience taking care of babies. My duties including feeding, bathing, changing diapers, preparing meals, um, and also monitoring safety and providing companionship. I always make sure the person I care for feels comfortable and safe and supported. Um, you should hire me because I am honest, hardworking, and always willing to learn. I take my responsibilities seriously and I do my best to meet my employer's expectations. I can work independently, stay organized, and handle tasks efficiently. I believe I would be a good fit for your family. Thank you.